Hey guys, Mike Volkin here, lead instructor for Freelancer Masterclass. Did you notice the secret that Upwork just put out? Are you taking advantage of this secret to skyrocket your organic exposure on this behemoth of a website that could drive a lot of business to you in 2020? You really have to keep your eyes open if you didn't notice this, because this is a lot of opportunity here, and I am letting you in on this secret because I bet you 99% of the freelancers did not pick up on this. In their blog, their latest blog, Upwork 100 provides intel for their next year's planning, 2020. If you scroll down, it gives you the top keywords for Q3. This is what from the data they compiled. Now, if you look, the top 100 keywords do any of these match what you do? Do any of these do you have skill sets in any of these that are not in your profile at least 3 times the exact phrase? Okay. Look at each of these. It's very important. If you have, for example, electronic design experience, and that is not in your profile in that exact phrase at least 3 times, you, my friend, are missing out on an opportunity big time. What you need to do is go through each of these, because this is what people are searching for when they go to Upwork.com. These keywords, all right? The match between what a user is looking for versus your profile is what Upwork wants to connect. They want to connect the user experience with the right freelancer, okay? So make sure that your keywords that are here that match up with your skill sets are in your profile, preferably in the title, and most likely at the top in the description, and again, somewhere in the text at the bottom. Now, that's not mandatory, but if it's in there 3 times, if somebody's looking for, look at number 38, C development, or I don't know what that is. Let's just take usability testing, since that's more marketing related, okay? I should have usability testing expert in my profile. I should have usability testing in my description right underneath the title, and then again in the text at least 1 more time. All right, that is what Upwork will do to be able to connect you to that user who's searching that profile. And you can watch in your stats. There's Upwork in your profile section gives you stats. You'll see your organic exposure shoot up when you do this. So good luck.